Did this morning?
I made breakfast.
Each one of you take a turn, Sam. What did you do to help make breakfast? Where was Mom when you made breakfast?
In bed. In bed.
Yes. And did you sneak down here all by yourselves?
Yes.
And
And
what-
we sneaked down in the bed all by ourselves.
And what kind of things did you make?
We made cereal and a bagel.
And anything else?
And we made some orange juice that might go into May.
Did you make it all by yourselves?
Sure I did.
Yes, you did. Now look at a picture of the proud cooks by their breakfast.
This is actually my breakfast.
There's Lucy's breakfast that she made
Oh.
all by
Mom,
herself.
let me in. No. Mom, let me
Mommy's
in.
breakfast.
No.
What, Sam?
No.
And they even made breakfast for Rosie.
Let me in.
Hang on, wait, you guys, I'm trying to make this movie.